Hey everyone, it's Connor here from Durham Hearing Specialists. I hope you're doing well and welcome back to a very interesting case. Very nice video, quite a short video. But what we have here is, well, as the title suggests, shrink wrap eardrum. This is a very fine, thin layer of skin totally covering the eardrum. Now it looks like it's just the bottom right quadrant that's affected, which is kind of that shiny, kind of webby, gooey stuff. But actually, as you see here, once I touch it and make contact, you can see actually this dead skin kind of wrap, cling film, is covering the, all of the eardrum, as you can see. So it's totally covered, and you wouldn't think it because it's such a thin layer of skin, but this was agitating the patient terribly. So she felt like her hearing was dull. She had applied drops, that wouldn't fix it. And then as soon as I'd removed this sort of cast, skin, whatever you want to call it, it was like bang, like a light going on. Patient felt a lot better. Just that bottom right corner we have to get now. So, happy days. The patient's symptoms were pretty much gone. And I don't think this has a name. So, I mean, normally, dead skin in the ear canal, wax in the ear canal, dead skin on the drum, meh, it's not really that deserving of a name per se. But because this is such a kind of bizarre presentation, I think shrink wrap eardrum is a nice name, so I'll give it that name. And what's weird about this case is that I think it's quite different, very different from a cholesteatoma, quite different, I think, from the formation of that sort of pancake case on the eardrum that we had earlier in the year. Not entirely sure how this has happened, but I'm just going to get this last piece here. And as you can see, I'm sort of struggling here. What's actually happening is this particular area, this recess, the sort of anterior recess, is actually really difficult to maneuver into without hurting the patient. So just in front of the eardrum, you've got this kind of bump to the lower right, and it's a constant sort of agitation to try and get round that without actually pressing the suction probe onto the ear canal, which is painful. So I'm just trying from a different angle here, and all I want to do is just kiss the surface of that dead skin, and it should kind of hoover up. There we go. So a little bit more cling film, a little bit more shrink wrap there. And there's just a tiny bit left. So, on the surface of it, obviously when, at the beginning of the case, the lower right, oh, there we go, so more. So you wouldn't think it traveled all the way up because obviously, you couldn't see it, but there we go. That is what the eardrum truly looks like. So that was a very interesting case, a short one, but I thought I'd upload it anyway because these, it's quite rare to have such a beautifully intact kind of snake skin all over the eardrum. So there we go, that is shrink wrap eardrum. Hope you found this video interesting. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments section below and I will try my very best to get back to you. And of course, I will see you guys on the next video.